Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got a bizarre, insane radio from Jeff. Yep, Jeff brought me this radio, and I'm going to show it to you right now, or I'm going to try to. I've only attempted this 6 times already and messed up every time, but here we go again. This time if I mess up, I don't care. Anyway, this is a Sony shower CD radio. Yep, this goes in your shower. And this is like a 1990s to 2000 vintage radio. And shower radios were kind of popular back there. So let's move this out of the way and I'll show you the box a little closer. There it is. It's model ICF-CD73V. And here's some of the features, including a CD player. It has a clock. It has clock alarms. It has a sleep timer. Wow. AM, FM, and TV weather back then. That's gone, of course. And they even had a warning in the manual saying that feature will be going away soon. So be aware that the TV weather is going away. All right. Let me bring it up close here to my camera. The LCD screen is not backlit. At least I have not figured out any way to turn on a backlight. There are the controls. Get your timer set on and off, your clock setting, mode, auto shut off, that's your sleep timer, presets, volume, tune, timer set, and time set. And the tuning is kind of digital. You don't just turn it, you just kind of click it over. I'll show you in a minute. On here we have radio on, off, CD, play, stop. There's the where the CDs go. And there's a battery compartment. It will use 4 C cells, or if you have the adapter, it plugs in here. This is the antenna, hangs out the bottom. The strap here, or whatever handle here, won't fit over a shower head. Apparently it came with a cord, a rope that you put in here. Jeff didn't get the rope. Okay, now let's just try it out. So we can turn the radio on. And turn the radio on. Oh, it's good. There we go.
You feel different. You drive different. Brought to you by NHTSA.
Stereo speakers.
From the Simply Superior Studio inside the Springer Mountain Farms A-Cup House. More great country music.
I think I've got, let me show you how you tune it. Just click.
See News Radio.
Oh, that's on AM. Or you hold. Doesn't have search. I'll get on a station here. There we go.
It seems that most are bragging on what they got their client, but be careful.
Now let's select the other band. There's FM. Let's go to 89.7. Click, click, click. Yeah, a little distorted. And music. Jeez. Oh, we're getting bleed over. That's what it is. Huh. Yeah. There we go. No? Still getting bleed over. Okay, well, forget that. That's music. That's weird. That was turn the volume down. That was 89.7, which is University of South Florida, which is the FM station I use to test reception. And it wasn't doing too good because it was getting that station, which is, like I say, it's about 40 miles from me and it's kind of weak. But there was another station bleeding on top of that, which was probably closer. So yeah, it didn't do too good on that test. It did okay on AM. We could try CD. It's music, so I have to play it just briefly. Turn the volume up. Still, if you can see that symbol. Okay, that's enough. So it plays the CD fine. The audio quality is good, and it is heavy with those batteries. It is heavy, and I would be a little concerned. Although there's a seal there, I'd be a little concerned about leakage. But there is a seal on that cover, and it's in perfect condition. I don't see any scratches or anything. A little bit of dirt here that can be easily cleaned off. Pretty cool. Oh, let me look at my notes here to see if I missed anything, which I'm sure I have. AM and FM, weather band, which no longer is available. CD player, weighs 2 pounds, including batteries. Well, actually 2 pounds and 16 ounces. Pretty heavy. Digital clock, as I mentioned, countdown timer, auto off function with 30, 60, 90 minute timer. This is a little misleading. It says on the CD, it says it supports audio CD, CD-Rs, CD read writes, and offers playback options such as repeat and random play. The tuner has up to 25 preset frequencies, 10 for FM, 5 for AM, and 5 for TV and weather. So maybe you can even, back then, you could receive local TV, just a regular local TV stations back then. Can't anymore. That's all gone. So I think this is really cool. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show them to you. And this one is definitely weird and unusual. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.